Hey, this is Thomas, the founder of Fuzzy Pipe. Thank you so much for buying the pipe cleaner DIY kits from us. A bit about me, I was laid off earlier this year, felt very lost and depressed, and moved back to my parents' place, as you can see. And I tried everything to get out of my own head. None of them worked, but somehow I found pipe cleaner crafts. This hands-on crafting experience was not only fun, but also had a meditative effect on me that I gradually stopped having racing thoughts and self-doubt. So I started this business with the intention to introduce this fascinating craft to more people and help those who are in tough mental states. So thank you so much for your support. And without further ado, let's get started. This is the tutorial for the Grump tree DIY kit. And here's everything you have in the kit. Over 150 green pipes, 5 neon yellow pipes, 1 white pipe, 1 red pipe, 6 decorative balls, 1 red Christmas ribbon, a piece of non-woven fabric, a free glue gun, and a few glue sticks. Feel free to plug in the glue gun now, just be careful with the tip and the hot glue. We've also put extra pipe cleaners of each color in the kit, so don't worry about messing up. You should have more than enough pipe cleaners to work with. I've spent a ton of time researching and found the most premium pipe cleaners in the market, so you wouldn't have much of those annoying fluff falling off. To start, roll the non-woven fabric into a cone shape. This will be the foundation of your Grump tree. Use the glue gun to glue the outermost layer of the fabric to the cone, so the fabric doesn't unravel itself. Cut the extra fabric at the bottom of the cone, so that the cone has a base to stand on its own. Remember to start with smaller cuts and make adjustments accordingly. Then wrap and glue the green pipe around the cone from top to bottom. You should now have a basic cone-shaped structure. Next, wrap a green pipe around a pen, pencil, marker, or even your finger, and turn the pipe into the shape of curly fries. This will be used as the pine needle for the Grump tree, so you will need to make about 70 to 100 of these, depending on the size of your cone. Once you have a bunch of the pine needles, you can start attaching them to the cone structure with the hot glue, one layer at a time. Start at the very bottom and only glue the top end of the pine needle to the cone, so the rest of the needles hang down past the bottom. You can either space them out a little like I did in the video, or put them really tight together to make the tree more dense looking. After you finish the first layer, attach the next layer of the pine needles in between the needles in the first layer to create a better layering effect. Again, only glue the top end of the pine needle to the cone, so the rest of the needle hang down past the layer below. Now repeat the process until you cover the entire cone with the pine needles. Next, we will make the winding looking branch at the top to finish it off. Fold a green pipe in half, then attach another pipe at the halfway mark. by twisting the ends together, and wrap this new additional pipe around the pipes in half. After that, use additional pipes to make the bottom half of the branch thicker than the top. Bend it into the shape you like and attach it to the top of the tree with hot glue. Add more pipes or use more hot glue to attach it firmly to the tree at your discretion. To make the star at the end of the branch, grab 3 yellow pieces, cut them 3 times to make 9 even length pieces. In this video, each piece is about 1.5 to 2 inches. Next, use a lighter to burn both ends of each piece to make them more pointy. Feel free to use scissors to trim the ends if you don't have a lighter. Once you're done, wrap all 9 pieces together with one of the leftover yellow pipes. Wrap the pipes around, twist to secure them, and cut off the extra length. Now bend and spread the pointy pieces to turn it into a star structure or a spiky ball. Use the hot glue to attach it to the very end of the top branch. Now the tree is pretty much done. Feel free to decorate it however you like using the rest of the material in the kit. I will show you one way to make the gifting bow. Feel free to do it differently based on your personal preference. And to make the candy cane, twist the white pipe and the red pipe together really tight, bend it at the top, and cut to the desired length. Awesome, hope you have fun and walked away with a cute handmade craft. Feel free to take a picture or video of your craft and tag us at Fuzzy Pipe on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, we're giving away free DIY kits for every single tag. And we will release more creative models to make in the coming weeks. So please follow us to get a sneak peek and use the code RETURN10 for 10% off at fuzzypipe.com. Thank you.